Isa's perfect practice shatters when her body betrays her with hiccups. Every cure fails until Isa discovers rhythm in her body's rebellion.
This always works in movies. Come on, 20 more seconds. Wait, my hiccups, they're making a beat. Wait, that's actually a beat. Go.
Isa's 3 a.m. war begins with one tiny invader claiming her sanctuary. Victory seems certain until the mosquito proves untouchable.
That mosquito owns our room now.
Isa needs those K-pop bangs tonight, no matter what. One snip commits Shonda to a disaster destined to become fashion.
Maybe if we just even out this side a little more.
Sometimes Isa's disasters become the memories that matter most.
Baby, you look like a noodle monster.
Isa Kim turns morning stretches into a solo competition she must win. Pride pushes Isa past flexibility into a trap of her own making.
Okay, if I can just get my leg behind my head.
Eddie's new phone case has magnets strong enough to disrupt their home. The case turns their apartment into a magnetic circus of flying metal.
What in the world is happening here?
Goodbye, Vitamin Vernon. You were too pure for this world.
Issa's mismatched socks became star-crossed lovers. What began as a joke now demanded real tears.
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is my sock, and Juliet is the sun. Oh, Romeo! Romeo! Wherefore art thou, Romeo? Deny thy foot and refuse thy drawer. Thus with a kid thy died. No, wait, I'm the other sock, Juliet, N.O.
Eddie's out of milk, starting a prank war. No Kim will surrender. Issa won't let Dad win. Pride tastes worse than OJ cereal ever could.
Just discovered the BES breakfast hack with Dad.